What's going to survive if the economy takes another dive? Well, everything that was deemed essential, we could all still go to work.
Yeah.
So for 6-8 months, there was no traffic. There was no nothing. We had to print off, essential work orders for our guys. Because right when it all started going down, my guys, all Hispanic dudes, show up at suppliers and there were police there saying, "What are you doing?
Jeez.
What's going on?" They had to show their laminated essential work order. I say all of that to say, hey, that's recession proof. That's pandemic proof. You still got to have roads. You still got to build houses, fix leaky pipes like what happened in February.
Yeah.
And all those guys have to have somewhere to store their trailers and their material because your driveway, everything's going to get stolen out of.
Mm-hmm.
So something like commercial, like this building that we're in now, where you could have a little bit of warehouse space. You could sector it off. Maybe you have an office and a little kitchenette and a little warehouse, and then rent those out. Seems to me like it's got some of the best growth potential. So that's what I'm looking for.
Let's keep talking about that because I need to diversify. I can't be all in crypto. I need to diversify in real estate a little bit.
What's your concern about being so heavily invested into crypto?
Really no concern other than I foresee, I have a greater percentage of my assets in crypto than most people probably.
Yep.
Although I don't have, not to say that those assets are like massive or anything. I'm just saying percentage wise.
I'm interested in that.
Yeah.
You just,
Yeah, no, I think there will
having
be.
all your eggs in one basket is never a good strategy.
It's never a good strategy. I mean,
Even
I'm going to
if it's
have
a
most of
badass
my
basket.
It's a badass basket. I have most of my eggs there. But you do need to diversify still. And so, you got the 401ks, you got this, that. I think real estate is still, that's where inflation is. You're seeing inflation in stock, various asset classes, right? Real estate, stock. As the money supply has been, governments turn on the printing press, inflation has, it's driven price increases in these kinds of goods. And so, or not goods, but assets.
Right.
And, to a lesser extent to crypto, I mean, I'm sure it has the same effect, but what I think in crypto is more of, it's so early on the adoption curve that the price that's driving, the increase in crypto prices is just more people are finding out about it. The percentage of people in the United States or in the wealthy world, the Western world that have, crypto as an asset class in their portfolio is still pretty small relative to the number that have stocks, bonds, and real estate. Yeah. Now, nobody should be investing in bonds, in my opinion, because it's total crap at this
insanity.
point. Yeah.